sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's enough footage for my little go-to spot. I think I've shown you guys this place before in the vlog, but I don't know if I ever put the footage out in the end. I think I held on to it because, like I mentioned, I did a shitload of filming when winter ended, but because I wanted to mesh the footage together, I didn't end up having time to do like a proper coherent vlog, because the other vlogs that I did were just the ones where I was talking like on my way to work or on my way to like run errands or some shit in the morning. So it was easy for me to just talk and have that like 5-minute clip out. Whereas I felt like I should start trying to do a more, you know, like coherent vlog where I probably do like a voiceover and then I just show you guys a lot of the B-roll footage of the place I go to, the hikes I go on, that type of shit. So hopefully this makes the cut. I'm actually heading back right now. I need to grab a scooter. I think the one I came with is still, yeah, the one I came with is still available, so I'm gonna grab that scooter. But yeah, no better place to be on a weekend morning, Saturday morning, Sunday morning. Get them legs stretched. I'm repping the Dortmund blackout kit today. Wearing it for Royce. Hey, yo, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this. Apologies for just the remaining B-roll footage. I just figured might as well just throw it in while I do my voiceover. But I'm gonna try keep doing these little vlogs. I've got a lot of footage that I haven't used yet, but I'm gonna keep trying to cut it up to between 5 to 8 minutes. So let me know in the comments if you like this little style. It's a really shitty vlog, but I wanted just to test out to see what it came out to look like with my first draft, and if it has a good reception, I'll keep this style going forward because I have a shit ton of footage in the locker to let loose. But yeah, should be a fun summer. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay dangerous, stay blessed, and peace out. Video essays and stuff, but in the meantime, my monitor, because I'm used to my camera being on my monitor, but I moved the camera.
Stop right there! Okay. With not. This is your fault. This is nobody's fault, Henry.
If you're really like into some nature shit, on weekends you can always